Digital marketing is evolving, and for introverted business owners, this shift brings exciting opportunities. Rather than forcing extroverted tactics, new trends are emerging that allow introverts to thrive by leveraging their natural strengths, creativity, and introspective approach. One of the most significant trends is the growing importance of content marketing. Introverts excel at crafting thoughtful, insightful blog posts and articles. By sharing expertise through written content, introverted entrepreneurs can build a strong online presence and attract a loyal audience, all while minimizing the need for in-person engagement. Another trend empowering introverts is the rise of AI-powered digital marketing tools. From social media scheduling to data analytics, these tools streamline marketing efforts, freeing up valuable time. This allows introverted business owners to focus on strategy and creativity, rather than being overwhelmed by constant networking or manual tasks. Focusing on a niche market is another strategy that plays to introverts' strengths. By targeting a specific audience, introverts can foster deeper, more meaningful relationships, avoiding broad or aggressive marketing tactics that may feel uncomfortable or inauthentic. Embracing personal development and mindset strategies further empowers introverts. By cultivating authenticity and self-awareness, introverted entrepreneurs can create impactful digital marketing campaigns that resonate deeply, translating their quiet strengths into remarkable success. Click the link in the description below to learn more from Mauco Enterprises. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's learn, grow, and succeed together.